Hey everyone, Fatty from Pack Punch Traders here. Just want to make a really quick video lesson going over my only trade today on Lgvn. Not my typical trade. I broke a rule. I usually don't trade pre-market, but I just could not help myself. When I saw that failure in the morning, I thought it was over, and then all of a sudden I see it work its way back all the way to red green. I thought there was no way this thing isn't gonna at least retest 15, mid 15s. Um, So ended up being a great move. Took 150 shares from 1381, just as it was consolidating here right around the red green pre-market. Then we just got a little burst, and from there it was just being patient. Got a little dip, failed to break down, held the 1424 previous high a day, and from there we got another quick move that I sold into for a quick $2. 300 bucks, pretty quick. It was relatively easy too. I haven't traded anything else since, so my day ended early so far. There's still other potential plays, but I just want to go over that trade. Oh, let me go over the daily because yesterday was a great trade. Not for me, but I did trade a couple times. But it was overall a solid move here. Um, from the eight below 8, now at 16, or it got to 16 today, right under 17. Solid volume. Shorts just got packed in early yesterday, and that's what led to the open price, VWAP reclaim, high a day, pre-market break as they as they failed to take it lower over the 880-ish breakout level here, 9-ish. So when that happened on a lower float like this, only 4.6 million, there was a lot trapped, and bulls came out, kept failing to break down, and it got propped up, and that offered another beautiful move. And then it kind of failed after hours. Looked like it was just done. People were probably expecting a gap down. They saw that wasn't happening, and then that led to this whole move here. So, but then they ended up taking over in the morning here. We got amazing selling, just a lot. Each pop looks like it's gonna be a short. Maybe it fails to break down, but it's looking like this was a nice little pop to short into. Not much volume really going on, so I could see this thing failing the rest of the day. But if it doesn't and it comes back to high a day, it could possibly be another short squeeze. We'll see what this thing could offer. But for me now, I'm kind of done with it. No pattern of mine until it comes back to high a day. Only other play I've seen, not the only one, I actually missed one. Gfai here out of the watch list, just way too choppy, similar to CELZ, where it was breaking over a red candle with solid volume. It was also here as well. You got another breakout. This one was a choppy one over the 130s or so. Got a little fake out into the 150 area, and not much after that. So these choppy moves are kind of exhausting. I don't like to waste my time with them, but something to just keep an eye on, learn from how some stocks move, the way they break out. I expect the breakout over the low twos to be a much better move. So ideally, it keeps grinding up back to there, and we could trade that later. Let me see, my service is getting crappy. Let's see. Makes sense. I'm not on my internet. Sorry about this. Should have been more prepared. It won't be long. But yeah, so there was one other play I wanted to go over that I totally missed in the morning. It was a beautiful open price play. What was it? I'm trying to remember. Oh my god. Oh, Husn. No. 1 second. Was it Husn? 1 second. No, it was not this one. Husn. That was it. That was it. Here we go. And I missed it just because I did not like that overhead resistance. I did recognize this as a bounce play. Like it was the first green day. Right off the bottoms here, solid gap up. I was really wanting an open price reclaim, VWAP reclaim. It's got a low flow, low market cap. We know it could run. I just did not like the overhead resistance, but regardless here, the pattern really worked out nicely over the 250s. That's when it really started getting aggressive. We got basic pattern. You get the solid gap up, not too steep of a pullback, and you get the failure to break down. You start getting a little uptrend. Volume comes back, reclaims the open price, but also more importantly, the VWAP level has got to be above VWAP. And then after that, we get a beautiful push to the low threes. We went over it live while it was happening because we missed it, and I was saying how this thing is probably done. I don't know if it's a short-term or long-term top, but seeing all that volume exhaustion, that's just a bunch of people chasing and shorts piling out. So once all the buying was gone, it had no energy supporting it. It's just up on fluff at this point. So the fuel behind it just went away, and that's how we got this just gradual fade from the highs. Still holding up, but nothing spectacular for me. Just sitting on my hands. That was kind of it, if we're being honest. Not a whole ton going on today. A little bit of a boring way to end the week, but it's still early. Anything could change the rest of the day. So yeah, I hope this was helpful. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. Always making video lessons every single day. We also are live on tradecaster.com. You could ask questions there, or just watch live trades, or whatever you want. You got us free live, so use us. And then Pack a Punch Traders on Twitter. This is where I alert. I watch us out. Where are we at? So I just go over my trades, any lessons, just alerts as well. So yeah, something useful. Hope you guys find this useful. But yeah, I'm starting to ramble now. Great morning so far. I hope it's not the end. I would like to make some more. That'd be pretty fun. But yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Have a great day.